Are you feeling overwhelmed by rising housing costs? Many families are turning to multi-generational living. Imagine having your loved ones close while sharing expenses. It's the perfect way to enhance your family bond and manage finances effectively. Multi-generational homes provide various options. Conventional mortgages enable families to pool income as co-borrowers, maximizing loan potential. FHA loans allow purchasing up to 4 units with flexible requirements. VA loans support veterans by offering no down payment for multi-unit properties. These loans have incredible benefits. Shared financial responsibility lessens the burden. Families grow their equity together, stabilizing long-term housing. Adaptable spaces allow for rental income streams. What sets us apart? Our expertise and tailored programs adapt to your family's evolving needs. We know the unique opportunities for securing a multi-generational home. Ready to explore your mortgage options? Visit our website for quick quotes and solutions tailored to you.